How to deposit crypto on Binance. Now there are multiple ways to deposit crypto on Binance. The first is that you can simply buy a cryptocurrency that you wish to prefer using your fiat currency. The second is you can receive cryptocurrency from other crypto users. So for this, first of all, let us start with the buying process. Once you launch Binance, select the cryptocurrency that you wish to own or deposit to your account. And once you've done that, just tap the buy option next to that cryptocurrency, enter the amount that you wish to buy, and once you've done that, you can tap on the buy BTC option in order to buy them. Now let us discuss the other option, and that is to deposit using the deposit address so other users can send crypto to our wallet. Go to the assets icon from the bottom right, then from there go to the deposit option, and from here select the crypto you wish to deposit, select a network, and this will be our deposit address if someone wants to send us a certain crypto. That's all it takes to deposit crypto on Binance in multiple different ways. I hope that this video has helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon, as always, in the next video.